Guys, welcome to the Staring Mommy World. Today we've got our toys from buckletoys.com. We're gonna open it and see what is inside and give a quick review about it. Okay, Viyaan? Done? Done? Done. Let's get started. Sit. Yeah, very good. We've got scissors. Let's do cut. Belt. We've got belt inside. Should we open this for you? Open. Let's do cut again. You want to do cut? Kind of a busy board. Buckle Toys busy board. Red. This is red. Oh, you're recognizing the color. Red belt. And what is this belt? What is the color of this belt? What is this color? Yellow. And this color of this belt? Blue. Very good. And what is the color of this belt? Hey, this board is green, cool. And a little pouch. Okay, so, and there's a zip also. Oh, this is shoelacing. This is so cool. This is Viyu's shoe.
Mama too.
Okay. Open the zip and let's see what is inside. Hold it like this. Yeah, now open. Very good. What is inside? Aha. Oh. Triangle. Where is triangle? Can you see triangle? Where is triangle? This is star. Triangle. Yeah. Round circle. Okay. This is so cute. This is soft. It's so plush. Open. Okay, you can sit and play with this, and Mama will review about this. So guys, these are very cute buckle up toys. This is very soft plush toy, very vibrant colors, very good quality, lots of buckles, and this one also got numbers on it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, with hidden pictures which are very interactive for babies, I guess. And this one is particularly very good for color recognition and like color matching, where he has to buckle up the same color belt. Buckles, zips, snaps, some lacing thing. All of this is gonna help to learn him some practical life skills later. See, all these things looks very much automated to us, like, but for the babies, for the kids, it requires hell lot of complex actions involving their fine motors, their hands, their wrist muscles, their hand-eye coordination, and bilateral coordination, where they have to use both of their hands to accomplish this task. This requires a lot of practice, and I guess these toys are gonna give them this practice in a very playful manner. And these are so compact in size that you can carry them maybe in your stroller. Okay, Mama will open. Oh, you've already opened this. Very good. Wow, Api open. You've done it very good, View. So even you can carry them in your stroller or maybe car seat. So this is very engaging for them. You don't have to give screen. Take these toys along and you're good to go. And in fact, it was written on their website that these toys are very easy to clean. You just have to keep them in a pillowcase and just give a gentle wash cycle in washing machine and they will be good. There you can get your buckle toys. You can get them from their website. The link is in the description box. They are US based company, but they ship worldwide, especially for Australia, Canada and UAE. They provide this on their Amazon link as well. So go check out their website, guys. Especially to all my mommy friends in US and UAE, go check out their website and see what you can get for your toddler. And their age recommendation is from 1 to 4 year old. They also make a very good gift options for the toddler, so you can just check their website out. And for other toys reviews, books recommendations, developmental brain boosting activities for your kids and healthy recipes, just stay tuned to Staring Mommy World. If you are still not subscribed to our YouTube channel, go do it now and follow us on our Instagram account as well. Do not miss our daily fun with Viyaan. Bye bye, have a nice day.